What if I told you that every single time you shop, you're leaving money on the table? Money that could be in your pocket right now? Imagine this. You've spent hundreds on groceries, online shopping, or that latest gadget, and yet you've earned nothing in return. But here's the truth. You could be getting paid to shop. That's right, paid. And most people have no clue how much they're missing out on. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock secret rewards that could change the way you see spending forever. Stay with me, because the truth is, most people are missing out on thousands, and you're about to find out why. Do you ever wonder why people who seem to have it all keep getting richer? It's not just because they earn more. It's because they know how to make their money work for them, even when they're spending it. Let me tell you a story. I once met a friend. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah was always complaining about her budget, always stressing about how hard it was to save money. She'd cut back on dining out, avoid shopping, and even cancel plans just to make ends meet. But guess what? Sarah wasn't saving money, she was wasting it. You see, Sarah didn't know how cashback and rewards programs worked, but when I introduced her to them, everything changed. Suddenly, her grocery runs became rewards in disguise. Her online shopping trips turned into discounts, and even her monthly bills gave her back money. Within just a few months, she'd earned hundreds of dollars just by making smart decisions. That's not a dream. That's a reality many people are too blind to see. Here's the harsh truth. Most people are blindly overpaying for things they could get for less, or even for free. Problem number one, people think cashback and rewards are too complicated, or they think it's only for the rich. But that's a huge myth. The fact is, every time you swipe your card, you're losing out on cashback that could be put straight into your savings or used for something fun. Let me ask you this. Have you ever checked your credit card statements and wondered why you didn't get more from your purchases? It's frustrating, right? You're spending money every day, but you're not getting anything in return. You're simply giving money away, and it's hurting your financial future. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're missing out on potential rewards. You walk past discounts and cashback opportunities without blinking, but let me tell you, that's costing you money. Think about it. Would you walk past a $100 bill on the ground? No, right? But that's exactly what you're doing when you don't use cashback and rewards programs. But here's the solution. It doesn't take a lot of effort to start earning money back from the things you already buy. And trust me, it's not just for credit card users. There are apps, websites, and even your favorite stores that will pay you to shop. Imagine this. You're getting cashback every time you grab your morning coffee. You're collecting rewards points every time you grab lunch. And those vacations you've been dreaming of, they're suddenly within reach, all because you took a moment to sign up for a cashback program. Let's break it down. Number one, credit cards. Credit cards can offer some of the most lucrative cashback rewards, but only if you use them strategically. Some credit cards offer 5% cashback in rotating categories like groceries, gas, and even dining out. Imagine spending $200 a month on groceries and getting $10 back just by using the right card. It's like paying $190 for groceries and getting $10 to spend however you want. Actionable Pro Tip 1. Find a credit card with rotating categories or sign-up bonuses. To maximize this, keep track of the categories for each quarter and plan your purchases accordingly. Actionable Pro Tip 2. Use a credit card that offers no annual fee and high cashback for everyday spending. This ensures that the rewards you earn offset any interest or fees. Actionable Pro Tip 3. Pay off your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges that could negate your cashback earnings. The key is to spend smartly, not to carry debt. Number 2. Apps. like Rakuten, Honey, or Dosh, let you earn cashback for online purchases with just a few clicks. Rakuten, for instance, gives you a percentage of what you spend on popular websites like Amazon, Macy's, and Walmart. Even better, you don't need to change your shopping habits, just shop as you normally would, but with cashback activated. Actionable pro tip. 1. Install the Rakuten or Honey browser extension so you never miss a cashback opportunity. These extensions will automatically apply discounts and cashback offers at checkout. Actionable pro tip 2. Link your payment methods to these apps for automatic cashback when you shop in-store or online. The more you use the app, the more rewards you'll rack up. Actionable pro tip 3. Check for bonus offers on specific stores and plan your purchases around these deals to maximize your savings. For example, Rakuten often has double cashback days. That's a great time to stock up on things you need. Number 3. Store loyalty programs. Did you know that almost every major retailer offers a loyalty program and signing up is completely free? Store loyalty programs often give you exclusive access to discounts, coupons, and points for every dollar you spend. Think of it like earning a gift card every time you buy something. Whether it's grocery stores like Safeway or clothing brands like Target, the savings add up. Actionable. Pro tip 1. Sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores. And don't forget to download their mobile app for even more convenience and rewards. Many stores now offer app-exclusive promotions. Actionable. Pro tip 2. Keep your loyalty card or app linked to your payment method so you automatically earn points or rewards without having to dig through your wallet. Actionable pro tip 3. Use your points strategically. Some stores offer birthday rewards or special promotions for loyalty members. Combine your rewards with seasonal sales to get even better deals. Number 4. Bank accounts with cashback features. Some banks and credit unions offer cashback on everyday purchases when you use their credit or debit cards. This might include 2% cashback on gas, restaurants, or groceries. That's cash back in your pocket for things you're already buying. Some banks also offer bonus cashback if you sign up and meet spending requirements, which can jumpstart your earnings. Actionable. Pro tip 1. Open a high-yield cashback account that gives you bonuses for certain categories, or even gives you cashback for setting up automatic payments like your utility bills. Actionable pro tip 2. Make sure to set up direct deposit with your bank to get a larger cashback percentage or special rewards. Many accounts give you a boost if you set up recurring direct deposits. Actionable pro tip. 3. Be mindful of spending requirements for bonus rewards. Many banks will give you a generous sign-up bonus if you spend a certain amount within the first few months. So, plan larger purchases around these opportunities. Here's the twist. Sarah, after she learned about cashback and rewards, didn't just save. She traveled to Europe for 2 weeks, completely free. How did she do it? She signed up for a travel credit card that offered 40,000 bonus miles just for spending a certain amount. Those miles took her to Paris, Rome, and London. She stayed in luxurious hotels, all while earning points for every meal and attraction. This wasn't a one-time lucky break. This was a smart strategy. You don't have to be rich to do this. You just need to understand how rewards work and use them to your advantage. You can do this too. Here's the truth. Cashback and rewards are out there for the taking, and if you're not using them, you're leaving money behind. The fact is, anyone can start. It's not about being wealthy or lucky. It's about being smart with your spending. Imagine a life where your purchases don't just deplete your bank account, but actually put money back in your pocket. It's not a fantasy. It's a reality that anyone can access. So, start today. Sign up for a cashback program, apply for the right credit card, and watch as those rewards grow into something that changes your financial future. If you're ready to stop overpaying and start earning, hit that like button right now and comment below, what's the biggest reward you've ever earned? I want to know your tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving secrets that can change your life. Let's make your spending work for you. Start earning today, because your money deserves to work as hard as you do. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.